Everyone knows the new style, new trend, but don't know the color combination. Hey guys, welcome to Style Sunday, where I tell the color combination of the clothes you can wear in a trending clothes right now. Okay, so I have this top. This is a blue top. I know it's really very little colorful and all those stuff. It's not that plain, but this is a blue top which is short and long from behind and short from the front, and the neck is like a polo neck which is covered, and that's it. This is of white and blue color, and there's a little boho, that is pom-pom type something at the bottom. And now the point is what to wear below this. Yes, it is really very difficult. Even a black pant will go below this. It will look good. But blue, don't ever try blue. No light blue, no dark blue, nothing. Don't ever try light blue color below this. It won't look nice at all. And black color, yes, we can go with black color, but the best thing which I felt will look good is white color, white bottoms. And white bottoms really looks amazing below this. And what I styled, like when I wore this top, I styled it with the white shorts I have. It's like short from the front, long from behind, and shorts inside it. This is the white shorts which I wore, and it looked amazing. Like, I really loved this color combination. And wearing shorts below long and short top, always it's in trend, and this combination really turned out good. And what other combination you would love to see on my channel, please do let me know in the comment section. And what other combination you feel will look good on this, and if you have such similar top, you can share pictures with me on my social media. Links are given in the description box. That's it for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Please click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Bye bye.